Hi, this is Percy once again with the Postrepreneur.com. I'm here in Qingdao, China, as you can see behind me, and I want to talk to you about failure. Failure as a business owner or as an entrepreneur, it's just it's a kind of a fact of life. It's going to happen to most of us. You think about someone like Steve Jobs, who got fired from Apple, and then he came back and he revitalized the company. There's many other instances that I can give. I'll tell you a personal incident of a family member of mine. They were struggling, and they wanted to open their own business. And what happened was that they ran out of funding. They were having trouble finding funding. So did they just give up and throw in the towel? No, they started looking for funding by using some assets they had, such as their home, and they were able to find the correct funding to get started. And then when they got into business and they started going, they were down to like their last $100, they told me, before they opened their store, the brick and mortar store. And then once they opened their store with $100 in their bank account, they were able to use that motivation to grind and hustle and to turn that first month into a successful month, and they were able to survive, and they're still in business 10 years later. So don't give up if something bad happens, or if you have a negative experience with something. You may want to relook at your approach and try to look at some of the things that aren't working in that particular business or that stream of income that you're looking at. But just don't give up and keep striving, and you'll have success like many others have. Well, that was pretty much it for today's video, and keep hanging in there, keep winning.